Hi friends, in this video we are going to see a basic quick analysis of Eveready Industries India Limited. Eveready Industries India Limited was founded in 1905 and is based in Kolkata. Eveready Industries India Limited markets and sells its products through a network of approximately 38 distribution centers, 4,000 distribution points, and 18 sales office branches. The company also exports its products to approximately 15 countries. Eveready Industries India is engaged in the business of marketing of dry cell batteries, rechargeable batteries, flashlights, packet tea, general lighting products, small home appliances and confectionaries which come under a single business segment known as consumer goods. The company also provides plastic, aluminum, and rechargeable torches, as well as portable and Digi LED lanterns under the Eveready and Power Cell brand names. The market capital, which means a measure of share market valuation of this company, is around 2,300 crores, so it will come under small cap company. The book value, which represents a fair and accurate picture of a company's worth, is 42 rupees and 20 paise per share. The compounded sales growth of this company over last 10 years was 2%, 5 years it was -1%, 3 years it was -5%. A higher compounded sales growth is usually better while a falling is a bad sign. The compounded profit growth of this company over last 10 years was 47%, 5 years it was 36% and 3 years it was 86%. The CAGR, which indicating the investors what they really have at the end of the investment over last 10 years, was 28%, 5 years it was 8%, 3 years it was 17% and 1 year it was 83%. The return on equity, which indicates how well a company's management used shareholders' capital. A higher return on equity is usually better while a falling return on equity may indicate a less efficient usage of equity capital by the company. Anyway, the compounded return on equity of this company over last 10 years was 15%, 5 years it was 32%, 3 years it was 35% and 1 year it was 79%. The pay ratio of this company is -7.46, which means this company stock is trading at -7.46 times multiples with respect to its current value. In general, pay value less than 15 is considered as undervalued and greater than 15 is considered as overvalued. At the same time, pay ratio greater than 15 will shows investors are anticipating higher growth in future. Anyway, the pay value of other companies in this same sector is 62.15. The PB ratio, which means the market's valuation of the company relative to its book value, is 9.49. In general, PB value less than 3 is considered as good one. Anyway, the sector PB ratio is 4.69. The dividend yield, that shows how much a company pays out in dividends each year relative to its stock price, is 0%. Pros: company has a good return on equity track record, 3 years 34.91%. Cons: the company has delivered a poor sales growth of -1.15% over past 5 years. Stock is trading at 7.58 times to its book value. The promoters holding this company shares has decreased to -39.49% over last 3 years, which shows that promoters itself losing the hope towards the company performance. Thanks for watching this video.